What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. If you've been watching my channel for a little while, you may have seen my brother Jordan's Civic Si. Me and him actually installed a 1,000-piece Starlight headliner kit on his car. It was a lot of work and it was really time consuming, but what I have right here in this package is a Starlight headliner kit for my 86. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably gonna be a lot of work trying to install this, but it should be totally worth it. And honestly, I think it will go along perfectly with the underglow kit that I just installed on my car. I'm gonna go ahead and get the package opened up and I'll show you guys everything that comes within this kit. So I went ahead and got everything laid out. As you can see right here, we have the lights themselves and the control box. Over here is a bunch of different ways of powering everything through the use of like a cigarette port. You can either hardwire it. And I think this is just so you can actually test them out before installing them into the car. Right here, you'll see there's a controller, but there's also a way to be able to control it through the app on the phone, which is probably what I'm gonna go ahead and do. It's really simple. There's not really much to this kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything put back into the box and then we can go ahead and get the headliner taken out of the car. First thing that you're gonna wanna go ahead and do if you're ever working with anything electrical, I always like popping the hood and getting the battery disconnected. Now that we're on the interior of the car, the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is grab this pillar right here and get this slid back. Be careful because there actually is an airbag right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this kind of just sitting right here. Up next, you'll see there's a few Phillips head screws that we'll have to remove. Now that we got these two screws taken out, they should just pop right on out. And we can go ahead and get the visor taken off. I put the screws on the cup holder on the side of the door, that way I wouldn't lose them. I'm gonna go ahead now and grab the flathead, come underneath to the back side of this, get the speaker compartment taken off. Just pop that out just like so. If you take a look inside this compartment, you'll see another two Phillips head screws that we'll have to take off. And just like that, we got everything taken off. As you can see now, there's gonna be these two plugs right here that we're gonna have to disconnect. Now that we got everything on the passenger side taken off, I'm gonna go ahead and do that same thing on the driver's side now. We're now gonna make our way over to the rear, and if you look right here, there's actually 3 little pop clips that we're gonna have to remove. I already got one of them taken off. If you take a look closely, there's a black lip on there. You're gonna have to go underneath it with some sort of, pry tool, kind of like this. And then you just wedge it back and forth until you can get it fully taken out. Get your finger in there. There we go, kind of like so. You're gonna have to be a little bit rough with it. Be careful not to also remove any of these orange tabs right here. So I'm just gonna leave this sitting like this. Taking a look behind this trim piece right here, there's actually gonna be 2 little 10mm bolts that you're gonna have to remove. Now, you should be good to get this piece slid up and moved down. I'm gonna go ahead and do that same thing on the passenger side. Now that I got everything fully disassembled and taken off in the rear, we should be good now to get the headliner taken out of the car. Coming back over to the front side, you're gonna have to remove this entire harness that goes along the inner part of the door. There's gonna be a bunch of these little tabs that you're gonna have to disconnect as well. On the back side of the headliner, there's gonna be a few little tabs that you're gonna have to remove to get this wire kind of freed up and taken off the headliner, kind of like so. Now that everything's been fully disconnected, we're at the point now where we're ready to take the headliner out of the car. I believe the best way to go about doing this is going through the passenger side, but unfortunately, I have my car in the garage right now and I can't open the door up fully on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do it on the driver's side instead. I wanna try and get this out without having to bend it as least as possible. I got all 550 holes marked on the headliner. I'm gonna go ahead now and grab the drill and the drill bit and get them drilled through. I went ahead and got all 550 holes drilled out. Now it's time that we grab the Starlights themselves and start poking them through. Alrighty, so it's the next day. I pretty much got everything on the right side fully finished up. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is do all the remaining stars on the left side. I'm trying to keep this as organized as possible. That way it's not a huge mess whenever I try and put the headliner back in the car. Now that we got all the lights through the holes, what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is grab this hot glue gun and get them stuck and down in place so they don't move anywhere. So I went ahead and got everything fully finished up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the power cord right here and just get everything plugged in just to make sure and test that everything's working how it should be. Look at that. That looks so sick. So now that we've tested everything to make sure it works, let's go ahead and get this thrown into the car. This is probably gonna be really difficult. I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing back in. I have a feeling it's gonna be even harder than taking it out, which that alone was really hard, so I'll have to just see how this goes, I guess. So I got the headliner back into the car now. I'm gonna go ahead and just get everything connected and put back into place. So I went ahead and got everything mounted up. It's looking good so far. I'm actually just grabbing some pair of nail clippers and going around to like the ends of each of the stars and just clipping them kind of like that. Honestly, if you have the time to do it, I would say it's worth it. But it's gonna take a lot of work and you may mess the headliner up just a tad bit, but you really don't see that. Like I creased it a little bit in the back. Let me see if I can show you guys. Honestly, you can't even really see the crease at all. So you may have to fold the headliner a little bit when you take it out, but that's, I don't really honestly know any other way to be able to get it out besides from folding it. So let me just go ahead and clip the rest of these and I'll show you guys how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the car now and I'll show you guys exactly how this looks. If we open up this app called LED Lamp and hit the power button, oh my gosh. Look at how crazy this looks, bro. And they have a bunch of different modes and stuff too. So like you can kind of just play around with it and see what looks the best. I don't like it really too crazy in here, so I'm probably just gonna keep it on like blue, kind of like this to match my car. Overall, I'm super happy with the way this turned out, and I want you guys to let me know down in the comments below whether or not you do this same thing to your car. Look who's pulling up. If you guys remembered at the beginning of this video, I said that we installed a Starlight headliner kit on my brother Jordan's Civic Si. I said that his car actually has a 1,000-piece Starlight headliner kit in it. His honestly looks insane, but at the same time, I really like the way that the 550-piece kit looks in my car, just because my headliner itself is a lot smaller than his is. So overall, I think this was the perfect upgrade and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I know this video was kind of on the slower pace and there really wasn't much exciting stuff happening, But I've been wanting to get a Starlight headliner kit ever since we installed one in his car. So if you enjoyed today's video and want to see more videos like this, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you're new, that way you can stay up to date on all the content that I post with my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.